Welcome, welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-21, left-hand trunk guide for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so we're going to be building -5, 5-21, the left-hand trunk guide, which is the exact same as this one. This is part 520, but it's going to be mirror. So it means this cut here will be on this side, these holes will be opposite way around, these holes will be opposite way around. Everything else will be the same. So we're going to go back. Let's go to top. Let me normalize that. Let me go down to this one, sketch. So we're going to do mirror this. So let's see now. Let's see. Let's put a construction light. Actually, before you do, exit out. Before you do any changes, always remember resave. Unless you don't want it anymore. We're going to save as. That's going to be 5-21 left hand trunk guide. There we go, saved, cool. There we go in there. How many times I've done that and I forget to save and come back and realise, oops. Okay, so let's go into center line. That's going to be there, beautiful. Now I can always just unclick these and just transfer it over. But I'm going to try this way, which then mirror entities. So we're going to mirror that on that line. There you go, perfect. Okay, now if I delete that, there you go, it still stays there. Beautiful. So that one to that one will be locked in. Let me pull these measurements back in, because that's what it took out all the measurements. That one there, that one there, that one, and those two. That should lock everything in. No, it did not. Why not? Because there's no. Right, there's parallel. That one is parallel. Sorry, horizontal as well as parallel. Which I probably didn't need to do that. That's very cool. Now these two here are tangent, and these two here are tangent. Now technically I don't have to do this because it's already in the correct position, but I'll make sure nothing can be moved. So you always want to say this fully defined. If it's underdefined, then something's not quite right. There you go, fully defined. There we go. So now we go to feature. Yep. Nope. We go exit. There we go. Now that side's over. Beautiful. That one's done. Now let's go down to this one here. Let me go to normal. That's going to be. Nope, that's the other end. That is that one by the looks. Nope, that's the other end. Okay, close that one down. Not that one. Where are we? Nope. Nope. I guess that one there by looks. Yep, that's there. Okay, so we want to transfer. So it's going to be one more hole over here. Let me just put that down. So virtually the top and the bottom is the same. 1, 2, 1, 2. That one stays the same. So it's going to be another hole there and another hole there. So it means one hole here would disappear. Let me delete that one. Let me delete that one. Yes. And let me delete you and delete you. Yes. Now we want to extend this one out. Let's put it down a bit that way. I know it's going to be. There we go. Now, let me delete that measurement. Oh, delete that measurement. Oh, hold on. Oh, 30, weren't they? Oh, dang it. Yeah, 30, 30. Okay, yeah, that's got to be 60 and 30. Okay. Edit. Redo. There we go. Now we want smart dimension. 45. 45. That's those two done. Now we want, that's going to be 60. So I just did this 30 and 30. There we go. Center line from there to there to the center there. Beautiful. Smart dimension. Let's see. It's going to be 30 and 30. Beautiful. Now we'll grab that circle, this circle there, and circle there. That's going to be equal. And that should be all highlighted. Excellent. What was that one? Oh, I don't think it's adjusted yet. Okay. Soon find out. So 45, 45. Let me just bring that in. So we got 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is how it's got to go. That's right. And we need to put a hole here. That's right. That's going to be... What are we doing? Oh, yeah. Oop, get a circle. That one and that one will be equal. And that should be good. That's good. Yeah, that's fine. We've got to do these two change over as well. That's right. So it's got to swap over. But that is fine. We do the other hole at the other end. It's going to be the same. So normal 2. Where are we? Actually, that one there. Swing that one down, expand that one out, and open up. Oh, this is an easy one. 60. 60, I said. 45. Ah, everyone does that. I want 45. Come on. 45 and 60. Well, that's got to be one of the easiest swap overs. And done. That's cool. Don't worry about that there. Don't worry about that. Now, shrink that one down. No, where are we? Let me just go to normal. Thank you. Is this the one we want? I think it is. Yep. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's one we want. Excellent. Open sketch. Thank you. That's one. Okay, so now it's going to be the same. It's going to transfer across. So we're going to do a center line. We're going to do a mirror. It's going to be any mirror. Why can't I pick that? Oh, okay. That's why I can't pick it. Yeah, pick it because it's on that side. Okay, that's fine. We got there. Now the mirror line will be, if I can click it, thank you. That one. Don't ignore that's not cutting something because it's got to move anyway. So, okay. Now we want 45. Let's see, smart dimension. Ah, 40, sorry. There we go, beautiful. Now I'm going to do this one. Okay, measurement. Actually, I'm going to change that to construction line. Construction line. Because it's already mirrored, so it's not going to change it. Once you mirror it, it's not like a... you change one side, doesn't change the other. The reason I'm doing that, that's locked in. I don't need to lock anything over here. And that one's done. Oop. Main course. Yeah, continue, that's fine. Because it's trying to cut nothing, so that's why it's doing it. Let me just close that off. Okay, it's caused some problem. We'll come back to that one. We'll come back to that one. Right now. Let's open up this one. Normal 2, that's what we want. Excellent. And sketch. Let's now go to center line again. Let's go to mirror, entity, center line. Okay. Now to put these construction line. Construction, and construction. Okay, and done. Feature 15, sketch 15 has one which may cause sudden streets far. Would you like to repair? Let me just stop repair. Delete the dangling sketch entity shown dash and in dangle color. Add the model to restore. Ah, I see. So see, that's been fixed now. We go around here. See, that's been fixed. This one down here. What is this one? Oh, that's broke for some reason. Why is that one broke? Let me go. Let me go that for the moment. Yes, go away. Let's see. Top, normal. I don't know why it's broken. Sketch the dimension to model geometry no longer exists. Oh, okay. Let me go in there. Ah, because I changed something there. Let me delete that one. There you go. That may have or may not have fixed the problem. Smart dimension. There to there. 56. So what is broken on there? If I exit that with... Oh, there you go. That's what it was, because I'd done the point there, like there, but because that changed over, that's what broke it. Okay. So, yeah, always just double check everything. That is that piece done. That is part 5-21, the left-hand trunk guide for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.